In SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central, after completion of hiring, is it possible to change employee hire date? Yes, it is possible. We can correct the employee date. How to perform this activity? So in SuccessFactors, either we can go to Admin Center or from the home page search bar, we can search for a tool called hire date correction. Then we can select the employee. Based on the employee, system automatically populates the current hire date. Then you can enter the new hire date, whichever you're looking for. Then click on save. After completion of this activity, system is going to check that user is having whichever the portlets or cards are maintained so far. For all those cards, it is going to correct the new hire date. Example, employment information, job information, comp information. If there are any recurring pay components are maintained for all those pay components, along with the job relationships portlet, all these portlets effective date will be corrected as per the hiring date. At the same time, it is also will check employee personal information, global information, address information, payment information. For these portlet records also will be updated with the new effective date as hiring date record. Can we go back and test this case in the system? Yes. So if you look at in SuccessFactors, one of the employee what we have is Johnson Hendricks. This employee hire date is January 1st, 2014, and you can also check the job details also with effective from the Jan 1st, 2014. Not only this, even if you can go to personal data, in personal data also you can able to see personal information card effective date is January 1st, 2014. But let's assume that customer is saying that hire date is incorrectly captured earlier. We need to correct this date not as a January 1st, 2014. They want to correct it as April 1st, 2014. Then what to do? So in the search bar, we can search for hire date correction tool. Hire date correction tool. On the right hand side, you can able to see create new button. Click on hire date correction. You can enter any correction name. I am going to enter here Empower IT Trainings. And the employee name, whatever. I can search here employee name. So Johnson Hendricks. And the hire date automatically it is populated as 01/01/2014. New hire date I'm updating as April 1st, 2014. And we can click on save. So there are totally 7 objects are there, including job info, comp info, personal information, and all those effective date portlets are corrected. We can go back and check the result as well. Johnson Hendricks. If you can go to job data. So the employment details are maintained now with effective from April 1st, 2014. And you can also cross check job details also corrected with April 1st, 2014. Even if you can go to personal data, personal information portlet also, it is updated with April 1st, 2014. So whenever you want to make correction to the hire date, we have to use hire date correction tool. But directly, it is not possible to edit in the employment details section. If you edit employment details section, this field is by default readable only format, read only format. It is not possible to edit the hire date. So always use the hire date correction tool and correct the hire date, and all the dependent objects of portlets also will be corrected with the new effective date. Thank you.